What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the channel. My name is Michael, and I hope you are having an awesome day. I have a special guest with me today. I'm going to let him take it away.
Well, Merry Christmas, everyone. This is Dad.
Dad, Merry Christmas. So what are we reacting to today?
A group named Nightwish.
And Noise, right?
Yes.
So have you ever heard anything about Nightwish?
No.
So you're going to be pleasantly surprised then?
I hope so.
Anyways, drop a like. Let's get into it. Let me know if it's good.
It's good.
So it seems like
Waving machinery via the screen, zooming for flaccant misery. Bleed some pixels, shoot yourself, pose for the dead. Have a near-life experience in a hard-air matrix. Now you're a starving avatar, feeding the beast in your loud ego land. You have become tool of a tool, digital fools telling you to shut up and dance. From the sunless world, no memories collect on the accomplice names that can slave a brave new world. Rise, recording your own voice, brain insomnia and paranoia, cannot voice. Please love me, see how I bleed. Please endure, I have such empathy in me. How noise, how beautifully numb. Deep in the quiet air to have a meaning. Fire carry on, sad hologram, lost in the breeze. The real and human feel. Sunset is free from this deity. The earth has a real voice. Go out and get in.
it's kind of interesting.
Color a yarn and a
circle of life.
Yeah. And they actually did it around the trees. I mean, that nature shot's absolutely beautiful. So I believe this was a older video, and I have seen it before. I don't know if they like rebranded it or changed it up. But what were your thoughts on that video?
It kind of shows a lot of today's activities with cell phones, the glue into the cell phone, and the self adoration of oneself, selfies, and all the. I don't know, it's applicable now with all the rich doing what they want and the poor not getting anything.
Yeah, I think it's really cool that a lot of these bands are reposting content or making new content, and they're really catered towards what's going on right now. And like you said, it's a selfie. The blonde chick, just really, I believe, she's like a model or something, but she is just constantly posting selfies of herself, and she's focused on her body. And then you had the one gentleman with his manpower pills and like basically the fake masculinity. And then
the mother always with the daughter and.
Yeah, just constantly doing stuff, and
the king really not doing anything. He's just enjoying it.
Yeah, he's just enjoying like the chaos and everything going on. People are just literally just.
But I don't quite get the guy where he turned red and all of a sudden they're after him, unless he decided he was going to be different.
I think he was different, and he basically became an outcast. So he got like, basically in a sense like just attacked and whatnot. But then also with that event, one of the things that did happen was somebody was just videotaping him instead of helping. So it's more focused on the clout, what you can get, the video aspect of it, than actually trying to help an individual and lend that helping hand. I mean, just definitely
this electronic age where it's just easier to pull out a camera and take a picture of something than actually physically do some helping.
Yeah. I mean, I'll say based off Nightwish and what I know about Nightwish and the music I've seen, this is definitely not what they're used to at all. Like, this is very, very extreme on what they're used to. So probably not the best video they'll show you. The first one, but we'll definitely check out a few more. Really, really good band. But like I said, that's definitely a very interesting message. And let me know if they either rebranded the video or if it's just a re-upload, because I have seen this video before. It looks pretty similar, but just let me know. Anyways, any final thoughts?
No.
All right, you know what to do. Stay healthy, stay happy, and have a blessed day.
Peace.